What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit more advanced or intermediate ab workouts. So if that's you, go ahead and follow along. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button for more workout routines and just life updates from me. If you're interested, go ahead and click the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And let's get into the workouts. For the first workout, we're gonna be doing the crossover crunch, and we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 15 on each side. What you wanna do is you wanna lay on your back, and you're gonna put your leg onto your knee, and you're going to grab this side of your head, not like it's crazy. You're gonna go ahead and put your hand on the back of your head, and we're gonna bring our legs up to our elbow, just like this, and back down. Just like this. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 15 on each side. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and follow along. Like I said, these are gonna be a little bit more intermediate to advanced. You're really gonna feel the burn. If it's too much for you, just go ahead and take it at a slower pace. Reduce the amount of sets and the amount of reps so that you can follow along at your own pace. All right, go ahead and take a 15-second break, and then we're gonna get into our next set. Go ahead and take a 15-second break and then get into set 3. All right, good job. 15-second break, and then we're gonna get into our next workout. For this next exercise, we're gonna be doing the downward dog leg raise variation. And what you wanna do is, you wanna keep one leg planted, and you're gonna do the downward dog, and then you're gonna come forward and kick, just like that. I can barely talk when I'm doing that. You're gonna kick. So, we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 on each leg. What it's gonna look like is this. Okay, if that is too hard for you, if you're like not at that level, just go ahead, do the downward dog variation and bring in a knee, just like that, and then go back out. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and follow along. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 10 on each side. For this next exercise, we're gonna do standing planks, 3 sets of 5 on each side. So go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. go ahead and take a 15-second break. If that one's too hard for you to balance, then just go ahead and hold the wall. It's not gonna take away from your resistance or the tension of this exercise, just gonna help you find your balance. Also, I find that sometimes, it's kind of weird, but holding your stomach can really help you balance when you're doing this exercise. So, well, not me obviously, but most of the time it works. That can be a tough one, honestly. You can feel it in your hamstrings, you feel it in your core, you feel it in your stomach. Whew, that's a good one. So this last exercise, we're gonna be doing alternating planks, and 3 sets of 10 for this one. You're gonna swing back and forth your body, your hips to be exact. So arms down, plank position, just like this. Bring your feet close together, and we're just gonna swing and swing and back into the center. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 for this. If you can't do that, go ahead and do 3 sets of 5. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and follow along. All right guys, good job if you made it through these workouts. I've told you they're a little bit more challenging. They're definitely next level, not so much beginner level. So if you got through it, good job. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like these workouts. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.